to Vehicles for Kids. Today, we have a very special vehicle that you all know well. Meet ambulance. Can you hear the sirens of our ambulance? If you can hear them or see red flashing sirens, then it means that our ambulance is on a very important duty. An ambulance carries sick and injured people to the hospital. Do you know what's inside the ambulance? First, there is a sick patient on a stretcher who needs to get to the hospital. Second, there is a doctor and paramedic who take care of the patient while on the road. Third, there is a driver who drives the ambulance very fast, but carefully. Therefore, when an ambulance is on the road, we can hear and see the sirens of it. When we are on the road and notice an ambulance, we have to slow down and let the ambulance pass. To Vehicles for Kids. Today, we meet this huge yellow machine called bulldozer. You can see bulldozers on construction sites. These machines can push sand, dirt, and even heavy rocks. They are very helpful during the construction of new buildings, parks, and circuses. Instead of wheels, a bulldozer has metal tracks. Using these tracks, bulldozer can move on any kind of the road, even if there is no road at all. For example, here is our bulldozer moving on sand, on mud, and on swamps. Do you see this metal part in front of the bulldozer? It is bulldozer's blade. Using the blade, bulldozer pushes everything on its way.
Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingan na. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay. Life is worth living.